You have likely heard about the SAS, SPSS and Stata packages. These are the other common statistical programs. Each of these packages has specific data formats for working with data. In R, the even package allows users to read stored data in these formats. Let's start with an example of reading in a SAS data file. SAS uses the SAS7 BDAT format to store datasets. We could use the read SAS function to import a SAS7 BDAT file into R. When a data file is saved from SPSS, the file extension SAV is used. We could import SPSS files using read SPSS function. Next, we want to import a Stata data file, which is a file whose extension is DTA. We use a read.table function to read in a Stata file. And this makes it easy to collaborate with other researchers. In case you are looking for data files to practice, please visit the UCLA Institute for Digital Research and Education website. I have downloaded the sample files from Data Analysis Examples section. This is it for this video, and thanks for watching.